Kristen. You sent me this question about the number 3 here. So let me go look at number 3 with you. Okay, so let me go back to your question. Which answer is correct? Okay. The green stuff is the good stuff. All the green checks and stars and stuff, those are good. So in this first part, the correct answer should have been D. You picked A. A fallacy, by definition, is a deceptive argument. It's something that isn't true. It's sort of a stretch. It's something we use to convince someone that something has value when it really doesn't. But it's a fallacy in and of itself is a deceptive argument. It's not a fact or assumption. A fallacy is a bad thing. Okay. Which of the following are fallacies? Describe how each choice is deceptive. Okay. So they're saying that B, C, and D are all fallacies. So B, society has an obligation to provide health insurance because health care is a right of citizenship. The argument is deceptive because the premise and conclusion essentially say the same thing. Okay. So the statement, society has an obligation to provide health care because health care is a right of citizenship. Okay. So going back to why should society provide health care? Because we're a citizen. Why are we a citizen? Because we're part of society. So it's not that you should or should not provide health care. It's, if you look at what they're saying, it's society should give health care because health care is part of being a citizen. But the word citizen and society are synonymous with each other. You can switch the two words back and forth and have the same meaning. So it's not an argument about universal health care or not. It's the idea of the noun, the society part, is the reason, and the second part of being why we have to give health care. Anyways, I hope I'm making sense instead of going in circles. Okay, you picked C, which is correct. Company A makes the best pickup trucks in the world. More people drive Company A than other. The argument is deceptive because the fact that a large number of people buy it does not mean that they're the best. That is true. The fact that more people support something doesn't indicate that it's the better choice. And then the last one, D, which was right and should have been marked, is I placed a quartz crystal on my head. 5 minutes, my headache was gone. The crystal made my headache go away. The argument is deceptive because it claims one thing happened before another. The first event caused the second event. So she put the crystal on the forehead. The headache is gone because of the crystal. So the sort of this connecting of these two ideas of cause and effect. And we're saying that because one event happened after another, it must have been a cause and effect scenario. And that's actually not true. It's not everything is cause and effect, even though they happen right after another. So if I don't have it down here in the bottom, but you actually can just redo the question. So if you get it wrong, you just hit similar question and you can redo it and then get full credit for this particular question. So hopefully me talking through this helped.